Was there ever a moment when you knew how you wanted to spend the rest of your life? Was there a day?
Yeah, actually. Why?
Tell me.
I was 15 and I decided that I was going to spend the whole day in Central Park. And I took a sketchbook with me because I was afraid that somebody was going to talk to me. And I started to draw the buildings that I could see. But then for no reason at all, I decided to invent some of my own. The day was so beautiful that I thought, I must be talented. So I kept it up.
Well, what do I want? You. Right now, in this bed forever. I want that. And children.
Children?
Yeah, one child at least. I mean, one precious little girl. Someone I could drink with.
Well, I don't like children very much.
Because
They scare me.
what? They always tell the truth? I mean, people say that they
No,
always
because
tell the
I
truth.
don't think that they do always tell the truth. I think they're just horribly candid. I think that one's going to point at me and say something totally humiliating. I mean, if you want children, though, we could. You were talking in the abstract, weren't you?
What is this?
Nothing.
It's not nothing. Come on, what is it?
It's a diary.
A journal.
No, it's a diary.
Well, what's the difference?
Because I'm a girl.
Well, let me see it.
No, that's the definition of a diary is that you're not supposed to see it.
It's okay for me. Come on.
No.
Just one thing.
Jim, don't.
What are you so afraid of?
I just really don't want you to.
Just one page. It's fine.
No, nothing.